Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our previous video, we have seen the three criteria of similarity of triangles, that are AAA criterion, yes criterion, and the third one is yes criterion. At the same time, in the same video, we have seen what are alternate angles, what are corresponding angles, and what are vertically opposite angles. Now in this video, let us solve few of the examples based on all the three criteria. So examples on AAA, yes, and yes criteria. The first example is, in the figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar triangle SOR. So this is the figure. PQ is parallel to RS and PS is transversal, then angle P must be equal to angle S, because these are alternate angles. Okay, in the same way, PQ is parallel to RS and QR is another transversal, therefore the angle Q and the angle R, they must be equal, because again they are the another pair of alternate angles. Now angle POQ, this angle, and angle ROS, this angle, these two angles are also equal because they are called vertically opposite angles. So here I have written the solution. In triangle POQ and in triangle SOR, since PQ is parallel to RS, therefore PQ is equal, angle P is equal to angle S, and angle Q is equals to angle R. They are equal because they are pairs of alternate angles. Now angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. These two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Now in two triangles, if the angles of first triangle are equaling to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So hence triangle POQ must be similar to triangle SOR according to angle criterion of similar triangles. So this is the solution of first example. Now let us see the second example. The diagonals of trapezium ABCD intersect at O. If AB is parallel to DC, prove that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So this is the trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. So here let us consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. So in these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD, since AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle A of triangle AOB must be equal to angle C of triangle COD, because this is a pair of alternate angles. In the same way, angle B of triangle AOB is equal to angle D of triangle COD, again the second pair of alternate angles. So here I have written, since AB is parallel to DC, therefore angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D, because they are alternate angles, and angle AOB, this angle, is equal to angle COD, this angle. So these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So again, in two triangles, if all the angles of one triangle are equaling to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then the triangles must be similar. So if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides must be proportional. So therefore OA upon OC must be equal to OB upon OD. This is also from AAA criterion of similar triangles. So dear students, let us see two more examples. The third example is, in the figure, OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. Now what is given? OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Therefore, bring OC towards left and take OB towards right. So the next step will be OA upon OC will be equaling to OD upon OB. Call this as equation number 1. Now angle AOD of this triangle is equaling to angle BOC of this triangle, because they are vertically opposite angles, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Call this as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, two sides are in proportion and one pair of angles are equal. So it means that from SAS similarity criterion, the two triangles, triangle AOD and triangle BOC are similar. SAS criterion. Okay, now if two triangles are similar, then their remaining angles, pair of angles must be, corresponding angles must be equal. Therefore angle A must be equal to angle C and angle D must be equal to angle B. This is the solution for third example. Now coming to fourth example, a vertical pole of height 6 meter casts a shadow of length 4 meter on the ground. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow of length 28 meter. Find the height of the tower. Now you have to draw a figure looking towards the statement of the example. This is tower, this is pole. They are standing on the ground. Okay, 6 meter is the height of the pole and the length of the shadow of the pole is 4 meter and the length of the shadow of a tower is 28 meter, and we are asked to find the height of the tower. Okay, now here triangle ABE, one triangle, and triangle CDE is another triangle. So in these two triangles, in triangle ABE and in triangle CDE, since BA is parallel to DC, therefore angles A of triangle ABE is equal to angle C of triangle CDE. They are equal because they are corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles. In the same way, angle B of triangle ABE is equal to angle D of triangle CDE. They are also equal because they are again another pair of corresponding angles, or else you can take these two are equal because they are forming a 90 degrees angle. Okay, they are forming 90 degrees angle, or they are equal to 90 degrees or right angle, therefore they are equal. So angle A must be equal to angle C, angle B is equaling to angle D because they are corresponding angles, and angle E is common to both the triangles, triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Angle E is common, and if the angles of one triangle are equaling to the angles or corresponding angles of the other triangle, then according to AAA criterion, these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABE is similar triangle CDE. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Now AB upon CD is equal to BE upon DE. AB upon CD is equal to BE upon DE. So let us substitute the values. AB we are solving for to find the value of AB. Write AB as it is, divided by the length of CD is 6 is equal to the length of BE is 28 and the length of DE is 4. So AB upon 6 is equal to 28 upon 4. Now go for cross multiplication. AB into 4 will be equaling to 28 into 6. 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28, so AB is equal to 7 sixes are 42, and AB here is the height of the tower, therefore or hence height of the tower is equal to 42 meters. So this is what the solution of example number 4. So in this way examples on AAA, yes and SAS criteria are solved by making use of or by applying pair of alternate angles, pair of corresponding angles, and at the same time pair of vertically opposite angles. So in next videos, let us solve few more examples on the same three criteria: A, yes, 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 and yes, A, yes. Thank you.